Yo, hello everyone. Okay, this is a demonstration for a new command that I just built. It's actually my second command. My first command was like so stupid. It's useful, not to be not gonna lie, it's useful for me, but not that useful for anyone. Okay, it's actually TSRCE, and you can just say it and provide it. Okay, first I'm going to say ls cd test. There is nothing called test. Cd test. Okay, clear, and I can say ls. Oh, there is some files. I'm going to just rm to everything, clear ls, and there is just az, no problem. Okay, if I come here and said tsrfce app and click enter ls, as you can see there is now app.tsx, and if I cut app.tsx, it's just gonna give me like a template for tsx file, and I can I can name it anything, like a button, and it's gonna name the function button with lower uppercase, and it's useful but not that much. I'm going to show you now a new command that I just built. It's actually useful, and let's see what this new command is doing. Actually, those days I'm trying to be a little bit like a pro pro Linux user, so I switched from VS Code to Vim. I'm actually using Vim, and I have a new Vim setup here in this Ubuntu, and I'm actually trying to learn Linux as well to be more like to be a pro pro Linux user. And this is hard because you always like need to search for new commands and stuff like that. So what I did, I just made a command that let you stay in your command line and do whatever you want. You can just stay in the terminal and don't worry about anything. Like if you don't know something, the terminal itself will tell you with a really great way. Let me show you how it works. Just to double check I'm recording, because this has happened to me so many times. Is it recording? Yes, it is recording. Okay, all good. So let's see. Here, this is the command. It's called helper, and how this helper is working is just like this is the name of the command, and after that what you're gonna need to do is you can just say to the helper what do you want him to help you with. For example, I don't know, just how to delete a file. Just simple as that. Like you don't know how to delete a file, say to helper how to delete a file, and it will tell you. Okay, for example, let's try this. First I'm going to create the file. So let's say that you are super dumb to the point that you don't know how to do nothing. Like, okay, I just want to delete a file, but I don't have a file. Let's create a file. How to create a file? I don't know. So let's ask helper again how to create a file, and when I enter, it will tell me type touch new file name. Okay, let's see that if it's gonna work. Touch file name. I'm going to set to add. Okay, no need. ls, and if I said ls here, as you can see there is the file name right here, and clear. I'm gonna clear it, and when I ask it, okay, let's ask it again. Helper how to remove a file, and I can say more than that. It's a file called file name, just like that. And if I list, yes. So now, because I tell them the name of the file exactly, I can just copy now then the command and paste it and enter. And if I say ls, there is no file with that name. Beautiful. So this is like a little bit easy commands, but you can actually ask anything you want, even the advanced one. For example, let's try something here. For example, we have here this beautiful background image that we want to change it. So what we're gonna do here to change this beautiful image, you just come to the location of it. I have two images here in my BG wallpaper. There is this one in the background, and there's this beautiful one as well. So I'm gonna open up terminal here just to copy the link of the, I'm gonna say pwd, and just copy that link and copy, paste it right here and enter. Oh, I didn't say cd, my bad. I'm gonna come here to the first, I'm gonna cd. So now I'm in pictures and PG, clear. So I have here two photos, okay? And I want to set one of them to the wallpaper, and I don't know how. Should I go to Google and search? No, you have your terminal and you have helper. So you just say helper and okay, I look so stupid in this phone. Okay, helper, how to change change wallpaper or BG desktop BG, and I'm gonna enter and wait a little bit. And as you can see here, if I go down a little bit, as you can see here, it's provided me with a command. It's gsettings set org.gnome.desktop.background picture URL to a file. So this is really useful because I can just copy that part. This is a demo file, so I just can copy that part and paste it and put a space and then copy what picture I want. For example, I want the second picture, and come here again and Ctrl V and paste. I'm gonna say enter. Okay, didn't work because I didn't provide the what is it called, a relative path. Okay, it's okay, it's all good. We're gonna just say pwd and copy that part here, copy, and because you need to put it as a relative path, not just a regular. So I'm going back here, and if I come to the top of this and paste that, as you can see, add this and click enter, as you can see, auto changed to this new background. Beautiful. Let's do it one more. I'm going to copy that line and I can select this and paste that, and beautiful. So now, as you can see, you can do really good stuff, but you can go even further and ask some really advanced questions. I don't know, for me, my mind is really limited, but let's push it harder. Let's see what's the hardest thing that I can do in terminal. For example, I don't know. Let me think a little bit. Something really hard to do. Okay, how? Helper. Let's ask helper now how to make this window here as a full screen, like that. Let's do it. I'm gonna come here and say helper, how to make this terminal full screen and enter, and we're gonna wait a little bit, and as you can see here, for TT in div TW do printf. What is that? Okay, I don't know what's that, but let's try copy and paste that and enter. It didn't work because I really don't know what is that. Let's ask the same question, but let's make it somehow clear. How to full screen terminal like that, terminal, and enter. Let's see. Probably it's gonna. Oh, it's not. I want helper. Give me a command to full screen at my terminal. I know it's F11, but I want it as a command. Let's see if it's gonna be. You need to use F11 key for. Okay, there is literally no command to full screen. I thought there was a command. So when helper asking responding with some stuff like that, that means that you don't have any commands. So he said you need to use F11K for full screen your terminal. So let's ask something else, but let's be okay. How? Let's do some hacking stuff. Okay, I love that. Let's go and how to helper first. Helper show my Wi-Fi password. Let's enter and see. Okay, let's see if that's happening. If that somehow works, now I'm gonna be a hacker or something. Okay, I'm gonna say hello world, and if I enter, yo, it's actually I got the password. Okay, I'm just going to clear it because yeah, you can do it. This is crazy. Okay, it's really helpful, but because you know EI, like with the EI you can ask anything, like it's really really good. Okay, let's do some other stuff here. For example, I want to download Valorant in my Ubuntu. I already tried that, but I failed. And probably the helper will fail too, but let's see. Helper install how to install Valorant. Valorant, is it like that? Yeah, Valorant game. If I clicked here, currently there is no native. Okay, it's okay, version of Valorant available for Linux. You may be able to run Valorant using compatibility. Okay, there's okay, all good. I understand, clear. So let's ask for something else. So you can actually run Valorant just like the problem here. I can't run it. It's just right there. I need to remove it later. So oh, let's see. What if I want to? I really like the hacking part. I can ask the terminal some really tough question in hacking. But what is it then? How? Okay, how to show first helper. How to show all the devices devices in the same Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see. If I ask this, what is the response? Okay, please don't crash. Please, please, please. This is the last one. Please, please. Oh, it crashes. Okay, that's it. I think I'm going to stop the video here. But you got the idea. You can like literally, if you want like some simple questions and some, you know, it's gonna help you with that and return like a real a helpful answers. But if you and if he can't do it, it will send you like, for example, the one of Valorant is send you like a answer that he can do it, or he can you can install Valorant in the Ubuntu. So that's it. Like, this is the helper command, and goodbye.